Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Tally to WhatsApp. This integration is a powerful way to streamline your business communications and document sharing. By connecting these two essential tools, you can significantly enhance efficiency, sending important financial documents and reminders directly from your accounting software. We will explore both the built-in features offered by Tally Prime and various third-party solutions that provide robust connectivity options, helping you choose the best fit for your business needs. Tally Prime provides a convenient, built-in WhatsApp feature, allowing you to share various documents directly from the software. This capability is typically included with a Tally Software Services subscription, which you might need to purchase separately. It empowers you to instantly send critical financial documents such as invoices, sales orders, and reports to your clients or partners. This direct integration simplifies your workflow, ensuring quick and secure delivery of essential business communications right from your Tally Prime interface. Beyond Tally Prime's native features, numerous third-party solutions offer powerful integrations. Apps like Livekeeping and BizAnalyst allow you to access your Tally data on mobile devices and share documents via WhatsApp. These often include automated payment reminders, which can improve cash flow by up to 5 times. Additionally, comprehensive ERP and CRM platforms, such as DoubleTick and Vasi ERP, provide robust Tally and WhatsApp connectivity, offering advanced features like customer relationship management and detailed analytics to further optimize your operations. To maximize your Tally and WhatsApp connection, focus on automation and security. Automate payment reminders to significantly improve your cash flow, potentially reducing delays by up to 50%. Instantly share GST bills, sales orders, and various reports, saving valuable time and reducing manual effort. Always choose certified and trusted integration partners to ensure your data remains secure and compliant with industry standards. This strategic integration will boost your operational efficiency and elevate your customer communication to new levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.